Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import content from previous class to a new class. In the language school, this is a common practice because we have standard model classes for each of the levels. In those standard common classes, we have the formats, the standard formats that we look for the language school, and the pre-selected or created content for the asynchronous, and also the exams have already been assigned. So this means that if in a particular course any of those is missing, either the video or the banner or the exams, you can import it from the model class to the class that is missing that section. So I'm going to show you how to do it. What you do is you go to the course. For example, I'll do it with one from I go to the course where I want to import the content. Let's say virtual. I select a basic 4, and like it's a basic 4, I look for, what I do is, to your right you have a series of columns, and on those columns, underneath the option administration, you have one that says import. You select import. Here you have to look for the course where you're going to import the content from. That it's ADB04 model. I select it. I select continue. Then here I unselect calendar events, filters, groups and groupings, and then I select next. And I would like, in this occasion, I would like to import everything to that course, all the content. But if there was something in specific that you wanted to import, then you just leave with the tick the content that you wanted to do it, and you unclick everything else. For example, if I just want this, the banner, I would unclick everything else and just leave that available, what I want to be imported. If I only want the midterm and final exams tiles to be imported, I only leave this ticked. So for you to untick everything in the tiles, you unclick the name and that's it. Okay. But as mentioned before, in this occasion, I want to import everything, so I will leave everything clicked. Then, after I have everything that I want to import clicked, I scroll down, go to next, then I scroll down again, and perform imports. This will start charging. Sometimes it takes a while, so you just leave it there, and then when it's done, you will see all the content in the new class. I'll show you at the end. It will show a button that says done. You click on it and you will see it. Okay, then when you're done, this is what you'll see. You click on continue and you'll see that all the content from the previous class has been imported to the new class. I hope that this video has been useful. If you have any questions, let me know.